Okay, so I'm just accumulating the bits and pieces to start the bandsaw mill build. I've got the 500mm cast iron pulleys, sheaves some people call them. These have got taper lock inside for a 40mm shaft, engine pulley, belt for the idling wheel, the drive belt, the pillow block bearings, a couple of locking rings and the key steel. We've got some bearings for the blade guides, some pulleys for winching the saw head up and down, and probably most important of all, we've got a 15 horsepower petrol engine. That's about as far as I've got at the moment, so we'll get some bits and pieces together and see how we go. This is the first time I've used one of these bushings. This is a 2517-40 for the 40mm shaft that I'm going to be using. Taper lock, you just clean them up, degrease them, orientate this with the keyways, drop it in, and then oil the couple of grub screws. Screw them in. Don't need to do them tight yet because I haven't got the shaft in, but just locate them. If we then drop the shaft in, and then snug them down. You've got to torque them to the setting on the sheet enclosed, but I won't do that yet because I'll probably need to take the shaft out. Right, that's the shaft just loosely put in into the cast iron wheel. Next we've got the two pillow blocks and locking collar. Put that on first. Pillow blocks, I'm not sure which way is the best way to have these, but for the moment I'm going to have the locking grub screws facing in towards the middle, and the back one I'll have facing out. I just need to check if that's the best way. Okay, and I'll probably align the grub screws so that they're offset opposite each other to try and maintain a bit of balance on the shaft. Right, I'm just getting the two wheels. I keep calling them wheels, of course they're actually pulleys or sheaves, I think some people call them. I've got them spaced roughly where I want them, I think, to get an easily available saw blade, which at the minute I've got 12 foot 3 inches, whatever that is in millimeters, around the circumference periphery of the wheels. So we're just laying that out to see what the next stage is. I've got the engine built up as well, got the pulley on that, got the tank and the silencer etc. on there. Just collected the steel for the basic frame. I'll have to get some more for the track, but that should keep me busy for a day or two. That's what £100 worth of steel looks like. Just been working on the main beam which carries the wheels and the blade. This is the sliding belt blade tensioning mechanism. I have a couple of pillow blocks mounted here, and that'll be sort of able to screw in and out. Use this Acme screw here from an old sprocket puller, so that can slide in and out and tension the blade, we hope. I'm using 50mm square steel box section with a 60mm square sliding over it. I was hoping to use the thicker wall 60mm, but it's too tight a fit, so I've just cut off a couple of chunks. I'm going to weld it onto a piece of thinner box section, top and bottom, and then use that as the sliding part on both front support pillars. Just put in a screw to tension it when it's in position. This is as far as I've got so far. I've got the blade tensioning device working quite well. It slides those bits in and out, pillar blocks. This is the main chassis bar. This is going to be the drive wheel. This is upside down at the moment, so that's as far as I've got. I've got the basic frame constructed with 3x2 box section steel. I've got the blade tensioning device working quite well. Screws in, slides this lot out, tightens the blade. We've got the 15 horse petrol engine. Got a winch mounted here at the top, running through some pulleys to lift and lower the main frame. That seems to be working pretty well as well.